Foley artists know metaphor. They know the ticking of a clock is a clacking pair of scissors, snipping wires red and blue, as a piece of A4 thrums across a metal lectern, the buzzing bee complementing the bomb disposal expert's perspiration. Squeaky door is a wet thumb ragged down the stretch of electrical tape, the kind they use to gag mouths in thrillers. A girl's rasping breath sharply drawn at a jump scare is just an old man puffing into an uninflated balloon, the pitter-patter against his eardrum of her heartbeat, a shirt pulled the way you took apart a butterfly. The plummet of a lift, a metal box dragged across a tin trolley top, the diaphragm lurching as the dead weight of the body slams hard at the bottom, his fist striking an inflated bin bag. The passive construction of these sentences echoed in newspaper headlines. Voice actress murdered by industry professional.